Welcome into the era of AI. No, then welcome. So right now, let's go ahead and focus on basically generating thumbnails for YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As I said, thumbnails can be used as ads. Now in this case, I have an example of some thumbnails that I created. And as you can see, this is what this tool is capable of. It's really capable of some interesting thumbnails. For example, here we have this thumbnail. It says win 100% of your trades, earn 6 figures from home, and it looks really realistic. Here we have a couple of more thumbnails just to show you the power of this tool. Win 100% of your trades, and as you can see, that could be quite useful. Now, in my case, I would like you, first of all, to switch to 16 by 9 inches here when it comes to the size. And then we can go to ChatGPT and basically ask it. So I'm going to go and delete all of these all these things here. Delete and delete and delete. And what I want to do is I want ChatGPT to describe to me a viral thumbnail, right? So I'm going to say I am a Amazon or a self-published author on Amazon, and I have discovered a great way to earn money passively selling ebooks that I write using ChatGPT. Could you please describe a YouTube video thumbnail to drive as much viewers as possible? Also, keep it a very short and concise description. And now what it's going to do, it's going to basically go ahead and describe this thumbnail. And by the way, I've shared a file with prompts that you can use if you want to. Now, as you can see, the title text, earn passive income with books, Okay, so what I'm going to say, I'm just going to say the video must only have one headline and one button. So please keep it short. And here it's going to proceed. So headline text, earn passive income, writing ebooks with ChatGPT. Visuals, image of a person, Okay, so now I'm going to copy this and go back into Leonardo. I'm just going to say design with that, and I'm going to paste this. And as you can see, I can go and generate this right now. And you can also try different prompts to generate different results. Now, say that you're day trading. You can say, I discovered a way to win, 99% of trades and 6% of investment. And now it's going to understand that I obviously wanted to describe this particular video, all right? And it's going to proceed to do that. Now, in another case, I'm just going to go back here. And first of all, let's just see this thumbnail. To gain some time, I'm going to copy this one as well and come back here. And while this one is being generated, I could just go ahead and paste it here. I could keep the part where it says design with and generate. And here, as you can see, it has went and generated this for us. And you can even see that it even added the Amazon logo, okay? Which, I mean, is incredible, right? Because for it to add the Amazon logo for you, I mean, what else do you really want it to do? Earn passive income writing ebooks with ChatGPT, watch now, Amazon, And, okay, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to come back right here. Earn passive income writing ebooks with ChatGPT. And as you can see, that's doing it right there. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, here we have this one. It's a little bit more realistic. Earn passive income writing ebooks. Now, of course, it could be better because the text is the only issue. But other than this, the design looks good. The Amazon logo is there. And we have another one here, which says earn passive income writing ebook. Actually, we could remove this one, but writing ebooks with ChatGPT, watch now. And we have the Amazon logo. And you can see that this is really interesting. Now about day trading. Okay, so here we have a couple of trading thumbnails. Now, obviously, I think this one is good. Win 90% of trades with 6% investment. Okay, really cool. Here we have another one with 90% of trades with 6% investment. Watch now. And you can see how this looks. 999%. You know why? Why not? You could use that. And here, this one by far I think is the best. It's actually the most correct one. Doesn't have so much grammatical mistakes. And these arrows really are really good when it comes to videos because people like to see these arrows, and they'll be thinking there's some money to be made over there. So you can see that this is really interesting. Now, if you'd like to create banners for YouTube, then you can use the prompts shared with you in the resources. I have shared some YouTube channel banner thumbnails that you can actually go ahead and utilize. But other than this, I think that you got the point right here. You got the point of what it is that we're trying to achieve. And I hope that you can appreciate these magnificent tools. So go ahead and make sure you use them as best you can. And thank you very much for watching. See you in our next update.